Hi, I'm Deepu Madduri. I'm one of the multiple myeloma physicians at the Icahn School of Medicine in New York City, and we're here at ASH currently, and I'm going to be talking about the CARTITUDE-1 study that I'll be presenting this meeting. JNJ-4528 is a structurally distinct second-generation chimeric antigen T-cell receptor with two variable heavy chain BCMA binding domains. CARTITUDE-1 consists of a Phase 1b and a Phase 2 portion. The primary objective of the Phase 1b portion of the study is to evaluate safety and confirm the Phase 2 dose as informed by the LEGEND-2 study. CARTITUDE-1 1b portion of the study consisted of 29 patients and with a median age of 60, and half of these patients were female. These patients were all heavily pretreated with median prior lines of therapy being 5. When we reported the safety data of the study, we can see that the most adverse event, grade 3 or higher toxicity, was hematological, with grade 3 or higher non-hematological toxicities of grade 3 or higher being very uncommon. Only 2 patients had increase in AST, 1 patient had increased in ALT elevation, and 1 patient had diarrhea. All but 2 patients had cytokine release syndrome, with 86% of the patients having mostly grade 1 and 2 CRS. 1 patient had grade 3 CRS event, and 1 patient had a prolonged dose-limiting toxicity of grade 4 CRS, which turned into a grade 5 event at day 99 due to complications. The exciting part about this data was that every single patient responded. There was a 100% overall response rate, with every single patient having a reduction in their paraprotein. Of the 29 patients in the Phase 1b portion of this study, 27 patients are still progression-free at 6-month median follow-up cutoff. 17 patients were MRD evaluable, and 100% of those patients are MRD negative at the time of the latest assessment. In conclusion, the Phase 1b portion of this CARTITUDE-1 study confirmed the recommended dose of 0.75 million CAR T cells per kilogram of body weight. JNJ-4528 has a safe and manageable safety profile, with 86% of the patients having grade 1 and 2 CRS. Neurotoxicity was very uncommon in this study. Early and deep responses were seen in this study with 100% overall response rate. 69% of the patients had CR or better, and 86% of the patients were VGPR or better. 100% of the evaluable patients for MRD were MRD negative at the time of latest assessment. The Phase 2 portion of the study has been completely enrolled, and the Phase 2 and Phase 3 studies have been initiated, and we look forward to seeing what more data will bring.